best windshield cleaners ensure clear vision, remove dirt and streaks, enhance safety, and improve driving comfort in all conditions. Today's video is about top 5 best windshield cleaners for clarity that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at generic 2PCS automotive oil. The car glass oil film cleaner is a game changer for maintaining crystal clear visibility and safe driving. Its advanced oil removal film and anti-fog protection reduce rainwater adhesion and prevent fogging, ensuring clear vision even during heavy rain. Applying it is effortless. Simply clean surface impurities, press the circular sponge to release the liquid, spread it evenly, and rinse with water. Over time, it forms a long-lasting protective barrier, keeping your windshield cleaner for extended periods and reducing the frequency of cleaning, saving both time and effort. Versatility is another standout feature. This cleaner works on car windshields, mirrors, windows, and even shower doors. It effectively repels water and rain, enhancing visibility and driving safety. The integrated liquid brush allows easy access to hard-to-reach corners, making the cleaning process quick and hassle-free. Combining convenience, efficiency, and long-term protection, this product is an essential tool for anyone seeking a safe, comfortable, and crystal-clear driving experience. Now our second product is Desin Windshield Cleaning Tool. The aluminum car windshield cleaner is a thoughtfully designed tool that transforms car window cleaning into a fast, effortless task. Its retractable handle and 180-degree swivel head allow you to reach every corner of your windshield, both inside and out, without straining your back. Included are 4 washable microfiber towels and a 50 ml spray bottle, ensuring you have everything needed for a thorough clean. Cleaning is simple and efficient. Use a dry or slightly damp pad for interior windshields, or add a bit of glass cleaner for tougher exterior stains. The extra long handle and pivoting head make it easy to tackle hard-to-reach areas, while the microfiber pads absorb water effectively and leave a streak-free finish. Beyond cars, this versatile tool works on mirrors, glass screens, windows, and even floors, making it ideal for SUVs, trucks, RVs, and household applications. Combining ergonomic design, efficiency, and versatility, it ensures a clear, spotless, and safe driving experience every time. Our third product is Astro AI Windshield Cleaner Tool. The Astro AI Car Windshield Cleaner Tool is a versatile and highly practical addition to any car cleaning kit. Its extendable handle can be disassembled for easy storage, while the kit includes 4 upgraded microfiber pads, 1 more than standard kits, along with a 60 ml spray bottle and a storage bag. The high-density microfiber pads deliver exceptional water absorption, preventing streaks and stains, and their enhanced durability and flexibility make installation effortless, taking just 3 seconds. Designed for precision, the 180-degree rotating head allows you to reach tight spaces behind dashboards and corners without straining your back. The twist-lock handle remains securely extended for consistent control. Beyond cars, this tool excels on mirrors, windows, TVs, glass screens, and even floors, making it suitable for SUVs, trucks, RVs, and home use. Paired with glass cleaner, car scratch remover, or wash brushes, the washable microfiber pads ensure all-around care, leaving surfaces spotless, streak-free, and protected. A perfect combination of efficiency, durability, and convenience. Now number 4, Fluor Automotive Oil Film Cleaning Brush. The automotive glass cleaning board is a must-have for maintaining crystal-clear visibility and safe driving in all weather conditions. Its anti-fog protection forms an invisible protective layer on your windshield, reducing rainwater adhesion and preventing fogging, ensuring optimal visibility even in heavy rain or fog. This greatly enhances driver safety for you and others on the road. Equipped with a built-in applicator, the cleaning brush allows quick and easy use. Simply press the internal button to release the cleaning fluid and wipe the glass evenly. No additional tools are required, making the application process fast and hassle-free. The long-lasting formula bonds with the glass, maintaining clarity while repelling water and reducing fog over time. Its pH-balanced solution safely dissolves stubborn oil films and insect residue without damaging rubber seals or tinted glass. The sponge brush head adapts to curved windshields and tight corners for thorough cleaning. Versatile in use, it works on windshields, mirrors, and other automotive glass surfaces, combining efficiency, safety, and convenience in one tool. And our last choice is Eleimo Car Windshield Cleaner. The universal car cleaning brush is an exceptionally versatile tool designed to make car glass cleaning effortless and efficient. With a 6.22-inch wide brush head and an adjustable length of 10.24 to 15.75 inches, it accommodates vehicles of all sizes, from compact sedans to large SUVs. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip, allowing you to clean windshields quickly without strain. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, polyester fiber, ABS, and PP, this brush is durable and long-lasting. The strong yet gentle bristles tackle stubborn dirt without harming your car's paint, while the 180 degrees rotating head ensures maximum contact with curved or vertical glass surfaces for a thorough clean. The brush is ready to use straight out of the box, complete with a flannel cover and 3 additional replacement covers for ongoing convenience. Detachable and easy to store, the brush supports multiple cleaning scenarios, making it a reliable addition to any car care kit. Combining durability, versatility, and user-friendly design, it delivers spotless, streak-free windows every time. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.